Question number 14, Peter's film collection. Over the past few years, Peter has been collecting two types of films, action films and thrillers. The films in his collection are on either DVD or Blu-ray. Below is some information about his collection. There are 72 thrillers in his collection, and that's not all his movies because he's got thrillers and he's got action films. 63 films are on DVD. Remember, he's got DVD or Blu-ray. A film is randomly selected. Given that it's a thriller, the probability that it is on DVD is 2 out of 3. 2/3. A film is randomly selected. Given that it's on Blu-ray, the probability that it is a thriller is 40%. How many more thrillers than action films does Peter have in his collection? It's like a Venn diagram but without overlapping parts, because you can't have a DVD and a Blu-ray. They're saying either it's a typical DVD or it's a Blu-ray. One or the other. It can't be both. Either it's a thriller or it's an action. It can't be both. There's no intersection of the two. It's one or the other. It's like a Venn diagram but broken into like 4 distinct parts. So I'm saying thrillers are all of these. Action, everything in here. Blu-rays is everything along this section. And DVDs, everything down here. Okay, so you can have thrillers on Blu-ray, thrillers on DVD. You can have actions that are Blu-ray and actions that are DVD. We are told that there are 72 thrillers in his collection. So that means 72 is all of this. So we have 63 films on DVD. Let's look at DVD given that it's a thriller. DVD given that it's a thriller, so we're talking about just this box here. Given that it's in the thrillers and it is a DVD. Thrillers are Blu-rays or DVD. We're just talking about this box. We know that the probability of it being in this box is 2 out of 3, given that it's in the thrillers. We're talking about a thriller that's on a DVD. Out of all the thrillers is 2 out of 3. Thrillers on DVD out of all the thrillers is going to be 2 out of 3. We know that there are 72 thrillers. I'm going to write N is our thrillers on DVD, which is this. Out of 72, out of the whole 72 is going to be 2 out of 3. It's going to cross multiply the 2 times 72 divided by 3. 3 goes into 72. 24 times 2 is 48. So N is equal to 48. We know there are 48 DVD thrillers. That means there's going to be 72 take away 48 is 24 Blu-ray thrillers. Then we're going to repeat this same thing, a thriller given that it's on Blu-ray. Thriller given Blu-ray. The thrillers that are on Blu-ray out of all the Blu-rays is going to be 40%. We don't know what the total number of Blu-rays are, but we know that the thrillers on Blu-ray is 24. We have 24 out of, let's call that X, is going to be 40%, which is 0.4. I'm going to switch the 0.4 and the X, and we're going to have 24 divided by 0.4 is equal to X, which is 60. So X is equal to 60, or 60 is equal to X. It doesn't really matter which way you write it. That means we know that there are 60 Blu-rays altogether. How many films does Peter have? He has 60 plus 63, 123 films. So total number of films, 123. The action films, we know that there are 123 in all. 72 are thrillers. So how many are action? 123 take away 72 is 51. So we have 51 actions. We want to know how many more thrillers than action films are there. There are 51 actions. How many more thrillers than actions? 72 take away 51 is going to be 21. Peter has 21 more thrillers than action films. And that's it for question number 14. Have a good day.